Portia and welcome back to my channel. I thought maybe I need to get you guys caught up with what's going on, and we are currently living with my in-laws who are out of town this weekend, so it's a little easier for me to film. What I thought I'd do is cook dinner and just chat with you, because apparently the kitchen is the only room in this house that has adequate lighting. The rest of this house is dark. They do live in Oak Forest. That's the name of the neighborhood here, and so there are a lot of trees, forest. So maybe that's why it's so dark in here. But so yeah, we're just gonna cook dinner in the kitchen. I am making baked ziti for dinner, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing, and we'll just discuss what's going on. First, I'm going to heat the oven up. I'm going to turn it up to 375, and I'm getting used to my mother-in-law's oven. It is takes longer to heat up everything, so. And now I'm going to start to boil some water, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm going to cook about a pound of Italian sausage in the frying pan. Let's get this going, and while I'm doing that, we'll chat. So, this away. Okay. Give me a spoon. We are not done with the house yet. We are finishing up this weekend. Hoping this weekend we will be done with the emptying everything out. The furniture and everything is gone. We have some patio furniture to move, the grill. I've got some big flower pots I want to keep because those are expensive. And then we have a few items stored under the house in the basement that needs to go. That stuff is already boxed up, so that won't be as hard. So the hard part pretty much is over. We just need to get that stuff moved and get the house cleaned up, and I did want to paint the living room and the kitchen, and I'm gonna, I think, just call it a day then. I'm ready for this house to be done. If you can hear the jingle, that's RC. Hello baby, you had a nap, didn't you? That puppy had a nap. Yes, he did. Okay, let me show you. Here's my sausage, and then the noodles are boiling. And I was talking to you guys. Let's see. And I was talking to you guys, and I think the camera cut off. So sorry about that. I won't know until I edit. Okay. Now I'm going to take a can of spaghetti sauce, whatever kind. This is from Aldi. Does Grandma have one? You can't see it. It's right here. Yeah, you're not in. You're not in.
I saw myself though.
Jeez. Grandma needs one of those things. Ah. it's hard to open. All right, let me get the sauce in. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm just going to simmer the sauce in with the sausage. And I packed up all my seasonings. I packed up everything. My mother-in-law said, you know, just use her things. But she doesn't have all the things that I have. So I kind of regret what I did by packing everything. She doesn't really have, she has just, she's got Mrs. Dash. We use Mrs. Dash. We don't want cinnamon in our, or pumpkin spice blend in our spaghetti sauce. We'll do this. Okay, noodles are boiling. We're getting there. After I get all of this in the oven, then we will just chat. We will sit and chat. There we go. Now, let me get my dish. My dish. Spray it with ham. So, yeah. That's about where we are with the whole moving process. I just feel like it's taken so much longer. It definitely has taken so much longer than I was planning on. But it is what it is, and we just have to deal with it. And the way I look at it is everything happens for a reason, and all this happens for a reason. So yeah, there we go. I got in an order of gemstones. Oh, he's eating his food. I was like, what is he doing? I got in an order of gemstones from eBay, and I've already used them all up. I have been making ornaments and things for my Etsy shop, because now is the time to get it stocked for Christmas, because last Christmas I ran out. So I've been working really hard. I've made 4 ornaments. I have a new size and shape, which is a star. And then I made a small Christmas tree, rhinestone tree. And yeah, I ran out of stones again. So I just purchased another batch on eBay from someone, and they arrived today. And what we're going to do in my next video is we're going to unbox that bag of rhinestone jewelry and go through it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go through this one. So let me finish up with the making the ziti, and I will show you all of that, and I'll show you the finished product, and then I think that's it for today. I'm going to try to do more. If you like this cooking segment, I know I'm not really good at the camera work and everything. I'm working on it. But if you're interested in this, I'll make my meatloaf if you want. My very easy, simple meatloaf anybody can make. I'll do that next. I'll film that one next if you guys want to see it. So anyway, it's time to drain the noodles. Okay, I'm gonna put my sauce mixture into the noodles. Put that all in there really good. Okay. Spread that around. Let me get cheese. Excuse me, puppy. Are you supposed to be in the kitchen? Hmm? Dog's right here. After I said, you just like come in the kitchen. Yes, a good boy. I use cheddar cheese. I usually do half a container or a packet, but I don't have half a packet. It's been eaten, so I'll just use up what I got and use up this Italian cheese that I have. And that's enough for stirring into the noodles. And someone's home. Someone's home from work. What do you do?
He ran over here and just like kind of. Hey, buddy.
Is Daddy home? Yes, he is. Daddy home? Okay. So now I'm gonna put this in my pan. Smells yummy. I'm making a mess. Now I'm gonna put some more cheese on top. Yeah, puppy. Let me show you. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. And there we go. There's the finished baked ziti. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.